Good morning and welcome to MindHaven's guided meditation for energy and focus. As you begin your day, take a moment to find a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a chair, on the floor, or even on your bed, whatever feels right for you. Just ensure your back is straight and your body feels relaxed. This meditation will help you wake up fully, clear your mind, and set a positive tone for the day ahead. We will use deep breathing, body awareness, and visualization to fill you with vitality and clarity. Let's start by gently closing your eyes and taking a deep breath in through your nose, and then exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let's begin with some deep breathing to awaken your body and mind. This will increase oxygen flow and boost your energy levels. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, then hold your breath for a count of 4, and exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 4. Let's do this together. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. One more time. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. As you breathe in, imagine you're drawing in fresh, vibrant energy. As you breathe out, release any sluggishness, tension, or negativity. Feel your body coming alive with each breath. Now, let's bring awareness to your body to release any tension and feel more grounded. We will move from head to toe. Start at the top of your head. Notice any tightness in your scalp or forehead. As you breathe in, send relaxation to that area. As you breathe out, feel the tension melt away. Move to your eyes and jaw. Let your eyes soften and your jaw unclench. Now, your neck and shoulders. Feel them lighten, releasing any stiffness. Down to your arms and hands. Let them rest comfortably, free of tension. Now, your chest and back. Feel your spine lengthening and your chest opening with each breath. Move to your abdomen. Let it soften, noticing the gentle rise and fall as you breathe. Finally, your legs and feet. Feel them rooted to the ground, strong and ready to carry you through the day. Picture your entire body waking up, light, relaxed, and full of energy. Now, let's use your imagination to boost your energy and focus. Picture a beautiful golden sun rising on the horizon. Its light is warm, bright, and full of life. As it climbs higher, Feel its rays reaching out to you, filling your body with vitality and clarity. Imagine this golden light starting at the top of your head and flowing down through your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your abdomen, your legs, and all the way to your toes. With each breath, the light grows brighter, energizing every part of you. Now, see yourself moving through your day with this energy. Imagine accomplishing your tasks with ease and confidence. Whether it's work, personal goals, or simply enjoying the day, picture yourself handling everything with focus and a positive attitude. See your day unfolding smoothly, with you feeling calm, capable, and in control. Let this vision inspire and motivate you for what lies ahead. As you hold this image of a successful day, let's reinforce it with some positive affirmations. Repeat these silently or out loud. I am energized and ready to take on the day. I am focused, productive, and capable. I approach challenges with a positive attitude. I am in control of my time and energy. Feel these words sinking in, building your confidence and clarity. You are ready for whatever comes your way. As we finish this meditation, take a moment to sit with the energy and focus you've cultivated. Know that you can carry this vitality and clarity with you throughout your day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, then exhale through your mouth. If you would like, stretch your arms overhead, feeling fully awake and present. Thank you for joining me in this morning meditation. May your day be filled with energy, focus, and positivity.